What's happening, everybody? We are back here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina to check out this new mega complex right here on Ocean Boulevard. So this is another look at the Holiday Inn Club Vacations. Right there, Myrtle Beach Oceanfront Resort. Right beside the spring-made pier, which now they call Doubletree. But I think the pier is still the same name as spring-made, or either everyone's calling it that. If you look at these pictures right here, this is what it's supposed to look like. Look at that big boom crane right there. Under construction, opening April the 7th, 2024. That specific date. Let's see if they make it. Also, the helicopters come this way. We're in the flight path.
Working on a Saturday.
Working on a Saturday. It's swinging pretty fast too, look. Let's see. Let's go check out the beach side. See how it looks. Say hey, Bunny B. So here's your look beach side of your view. If you're staying in one of the rooms that'll be facing the ocean. So on the right side here, which is the Damon's side, Damon's restaurant. Remember, if you do get here and you stay here, there's only two ways you can get to the restaurant. It's either by the road or by the beach. Unless they build a bridge right here, which would be absolutely cool. But we'll see. Well, that was a quick look at the Holiday Inn Club Vacations. I know it wasn't much, but we just thought we'd give you a little update of the progress, and it's extremely hot, so I had to cut it short. Can't take this heat. And as always, keep beaching. Look at her on the phone.
Always.